Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best 3D printers available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have Flashforge 3D printer. Now meet the new kid on the block, the user-friendly, home-friendly, and wallet-friendly 3D printer from Flashforge is ready to play. Loaded with easy-to-use features, and designed to be at home in kids' rooms and classrooms. The new Flashforge Finder is the first choice for 3D printing novices and educators. And parents and teachers appreciate its quiet and safe operation. On number 4 we have Monoprice 3D printer. The heated build plate and wide range of extruder temperatures allow this printer to work with any type of filament from basic filaments. It has featuring a small footprint and basic, open frame design. This 3D printer is compact enough for any desk. Unlike most other 3D printers, this printer ships fully assembled and has already been calibrated at the factory. On number 3 we have FLSUN 3D printer. FLSUN has been focusing on developing high-quality, high-performance 3D printers. The Delta 3D printers we developed are very popular among users. The user's favorable rate keeps Amazon's choice all the year round. It is useful for consumers and schools, easy to set up and use. On number 2 we have Longer 3D printer. This 3D printer comes with one of the largest build spaces available. At 300mm you can print models that 90% of other printers could not. The unique high-precision nozzle of 0.4mm hot end with straight through design reduces the weight on the X-axis, which delivers better performance even on very tall prints. It has 2.8-inch touch color screen with use-friendly interface. On number 1 we have MAKERBOT 3D printer. It's print and monitor your project from your browser straight to your MAKERBOT 3D printer. A suite of smart technology allows you to spend your time focusing on the part design, not the printing process. From Wi-Fi connectivity and onboard streaming cameras, smart sensors in the extruder. It comes with the easy-to-replace smart extruder, and flex build plate maintenance is quick and easy. A front-facing filament drawer lets you change out colors or material types without flipping your printer around. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.